Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. You're signed into the correct YouTube Music account and any subscription is active. Once done, test the network. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular, run a quick speed check, and restart the router if packets drop. Make sure to clear the app cache or use an incognito browser session to isolate whether this is account, app, or network related. These first steps eliminate the most common causes, so you can focus on the server error itself. Now move into deeper fixes. Update YouTube Music and your device OS to the latest release, and if updates fail, uninstall and reinstall the app to refresh binaries. Force stop the app, remove any corrupted offline downloads, and perform a full device reboot to clear lingering locks. Make sure device date and time are accurate, disable VPNs temporarily, and test alternate DNS such as 8. Also check battery optimization settings that can throttle background network access. Finish by verifying scope. Try YouTube Music on another device or in a different browser to determine if the problem is server-side. If the error persists across platforms, report it through the app's feedback tool, including precise timestamps, your device model, app version, and any error codes. This speeds vendor diagnosis. As a final fallback, use the web player or download critical playlists for offline playback. If nothing works, retry after 30-60 minutes. Transient server outages often resolve quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.